Ever wondered what the world tastes like? Imagine being able to travel the globe, tasting the unique flavors that each country has to offer. Welcome, fellow gourmets, to our culinary adventure. This is not just about food, it's about understanding the rich tapestry of cultures that makes our world so beautifully diverse. Food mirrors culture. It is a reflection of a country's history, its people, and their way of life. It's a language in itself, a delicious way to communicate. Our journey will take us from the bustling, spice-laden streets of India, where the air is heavy with the scent of curry leaves and cumin, to the sophisticated dining tables of France, where every meal is a delectable testament to the art of fine dining. This is a journey for your senses, a chance to savor the world one bite at a time. So fasten your seatbelts as we embark on this mouth-watering journey. Our first stop is India, the land of spices. India is a culinary treasure trove, where each region boasts its own unique flavor palette and cooking techniques. The cuisine here is as diverse as its landscapes, from the fiery curries of Rajasthan to the coconut-infused fish stews of Kerala. Let's not forget the iconic dishes that have taken the world by storm. Biryani, a fragrant rice dish layered with meat and spices, is a testament to the country's rich history. Samosas, crispy pastries filled with spicy potatoes and peas, are a beloved street food staple. And then there's butter chicken, a creamy tomato-based curry that's a universal favorite. Venture into the bustling food markets of Delhi and Mumbai, and you'll be hit with the intoxicating aroma of spices: cardamom, turmeric, cumin, coriander. Each adds a layer of complexity to Indian dishes, creating bold flavors that are nothing short of a sensory explosion. Indian cuisine is indeed a sensory explosion, but now let's jet off to our next destination. Bienvenue en France, where food is an art. Here, each meal is a meticulously crafted masterpiece, a symphony of flavors dancing on the palate. French cuisine is renowned worldwide for its elegance and sophistication, a culinary tradition steeped in history and innovation. Imagine starting your day with a buttery, flaky croissant, still warm from the oven, or perhaps indulging in escargot, a delicacy of snails bathed in garlic and parsley butter, an experience that embodies the French culinary ethos of transforming the simple into the sublime. And then there's coq au vin, a classic French stew, where chicken is slow-cooked to perfection in a rich wine-based sauce. The bustling food markets of Paris and Lyon are a sensory delight, brimming with the freshest produce, artisanal cheeses, and fragrant baked goods. Every aspect of French cuisine is a testament to its finesse, its balance of flavors, and its celebration of quality ingredients. French cuisine sure knows how to impress, but hold on, our culinary journey isn't over yet. Welcome to Thailand, where food is a celebration of life. Thailand's cuisine is a vibrant symphony of flavors, a testament to the country's rich cultural heritage and diverse regional influences. It's a gastronomic journey that leaves your taste buds tingling and craving more. Let's dive into some iconic dishes. Pad Thai, a stir-fried noodle dish, is a street food legend with its intoxicating mix of sweet, sour, and savory flavors. Green curry, a creamy concoction of coconut milk and fresh green chilies, is a spicy delight that warms you from the inside out. And for dessert, nothing beats the tropical bliss of mango sticky rice, a simple yet indulgent treat that perfectly balances the tanginess of ripe mangoes with the sweetness of coconut-infused sticky rice. The heart of Thai cuisine, however, beats strongest in the bustling street food scene of Bangkok. Here, every corner holds a new culinary surprise, each dish a perfect blend of sweet, sour, salty, and spicy. Thai cuisine is a true flavor fiesta, but our taste trip around the world doesn't end here. And that, my friends, was a quick taste trip around the globe. From the vibrant spice markets of India, where we savored the rich flavors of biryani, to the quaint bistros of France, delighting in the delicate dance of flavors in coq au vin. We ventured further east to Thailand, where the fiery Tom Yum Goong captured our taste buds. Each country, each city, each little street corner food stall has a story to tell through its cuisine. A story of its people, their history, their culture, and their love for food. Whether you're exploring the bustling food markets of Bangkok or enjoying a quiet meal at a charming Parisian cafe, there's a world of flavors waiting to be discovered. So here's to the globetrotters and food lovers, to the culinary explorers and taste adventurers. Your next journey might be just around the corner, or right there on your plate. Remember, the world is a delicious place, waiting for you to take a bite. Until next time, bon appétit!